In this video, I explain Samsung TV won't connect to Wi-Fi. Today, we are going to show you how to fix your Samsung Smart TV if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. The first thing to try here is really the simplest. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now, don't be impatient. Here, wait for the 60 seconds. Now, plug it back. This will reset your TV. If it not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 2. Go to the settings menu, go to support, then go to software update and then click on update. Now this will automatically search for any new updates. For your TV, automatically install them. If there are any, and then reboot your TV. If this also not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 3. A common problem with the Samsung TVs is a problem with the DNS settings. Go into the settings menu, go to general, then go to networks, go to the network status, go to IP settings, go to DNS settings. Here you want to enter manually. Go to DNS server, enter 8888. If it not clears the problem, then let's go on to the next try. Method 4. This method will almost certainly fix your problem, but it is a factory reset. We are gonna do this. Basically, restore your TV to the way. Press the home or menu button, go to the settings, go to support, go to the self diagnostics, then hit reset. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.